One of the other buzzers, Biocon. And let's welcome on board Christiane Hamacher, who is the CEO at Biocon Biologics, joining us on the show right now. Christiane, thanks for joining in. Tell us about the approval received from USFDA for the new facility, and what does this really mean for your company?
Yeah, we are absolutely excited that we have received this approval, because what it will allow us to do is to have a multifold scale in terms of capacity for our biosimilar Pegfilgrastim. Pegfilgrastim biosimilar launches were the most successful in the United States, and we were part of it. And so far, the biosimilars are serving 23% of the total market share. So for us and Mylan, it's a huge, huge opportunity in the United States to expand access to patients to receive Pegfilgrastim biosimilar. And as you know, we have built capacity for a global scale. It's very complex manufacturing capabilities that we are having, and it's very, very cost competitive. So we are looking at the Pegfilgrastim biosimilar opportunity in the US as a huge and tremendous opportunity for us and our partner Mylan.
So will this approval of the facility help to gain market share of the company for your existing drugs?
Look, we have, with that approval, increased our capacity multifold. That allows us to be an extremely strong player. And as I have mentioned before, there is a huge opportunity to further increase market shares in the United States. And we are very well positioned with our partner Mylan to serve many more patients. And we expect that this is a great opportunity and that we will be successful in this environment.
So, given that Sandoz is launching the same drug at a similar time, will this have any impact on your business or the opportunity size for Biocon? Will that lower?
The approval of our facility here and the multifold capacity expansion for us is a really, really competitive advantage. So far, there are two players in the market. It's a third player. This market has space for several players. We are the first company, together with Mylan, to enter the market. So we will be very well positioned also in the future to expand the access and to serve patients in the United States. And Pegfilgrastim is not only approved in the US, but also in Europe, Australia, and Canada. And with the recent approval of our manufacturing site, we are able to serve patients truly at a global stage.
Sure. Your companies also share the guidance of touching about $1 billion in annual revenues in biologics. Considering that your current rate itself is looking at the next 2 to 3 years, should be a very strong year for growth. So tell us, what exactly are you going to be doing to achieve this target? Will this really lead to new launches in the coming years as well?
So our aspirational target is to achieve $1 billion by fiscal year 2022. And with the molecules on the market and the molecules to be launched in the future, also in particular in the United States, with a Pegfilgrastim, with a trastuzumab launch expected before the end of the year, and our glargine biosimilar to be approved next year, we really expect in the United States, as well as in other developed markets and in most of the world markets, to be able to make a huge difference to patients, to penetrate the market. And we are extremely confident that we will achieve our aspiration of $1 billion by fiscal year 2022.
What are the other upcoming launches that you're currently looking at?
In particular, we are looking at the launch of our trastuzumab biosimilar, before the end of this calendar year, and we are also looking very much in particular at the launch of our biosimilar glargine in the United States later next year. But we are also looking at launches across the world as we are serving Europe as well as developing markets.
So is the normal generic pharma segment, are you seeing high competition here?
Look, to develop a biosimilar is very complex. And we have been able to show that we are able to bring biosimilars to the market. What we expect is that we see in many markets 3, 4, 5 players. It's a huge investment to be able to develop my biosimilars and to manufacture biosimilars. There's a significant difference between biosimilars and generics. We expect that there will be a few players and that we, together with our partners, will be a major global leader in the biosimilar space, actually across the globe.
Right. Recently, Biocon has also been in the news for offering a plan for, of daily of insulin at about 10 cents to low and middle income countries as well, and retailing at that prices. How is it that you plan to cut prices by such a huge quantum and still be commercially viable?
Yes. Our mission is, while we are close to the 100-year anniversary of the discovery of insulin, to bring insulin to all low and middle income countries, recombinant human insulin for less than 10 cents a day. We are in discussions with governments, and we are very, very much looking forward to making that a reality very, very soon.
All right. Thanks very much for joining in and sharing with us the optimism of what the vision is for the company.